Hello everyone and welcome to another quick tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to create a free Microsoft account step by step. First, go to signup.live.com. I have added the link in the description. Now enter your email address. If you don't have an email address, you can create a new Outlook email here as well. I am going to use my existing Gmail here. Check your email inbox. Microsoft will send a verification code to your email. If you are using Gmail, go to the Update tab to find the email. Copy the verification code. Then come back to sign up page and paste it. Select your country or region. Enter your date of birth. Type your first and last name. Click next. Prove you are a human. Press and hold the button until the progress bar is full. Your Microsoft account is almost ready. Review any additional information and click OK. Choose if you want to stay signed in. Click yes if you are using a personal device. Now you are in your Microsoft account. To customize how you sign in, go to Security Settings. Click Manage How I Sign In. Use the drop down menu to add a new sign in method. So that's it guys. If this will help you, please don't forget to give it a like and thanks for watching.